Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am going to share one AI platform, which is actually an EdTech platform that leverages AI to empower educators and parents in creating educational games for children. So let's explore this platform. You can see here on the screen, it's called TinyTap. It's very simple. So I'm writing a random topic, let's say core of earth. You need to just click on create lesson. It takes 2 minutes, and here you can see now it's about to generate, and a complete game and complete lesson has been prepared. And this is really more than amazing. You can see here very good interactive. Let's play and check.
Journey to the Earth's core, uncover the secrets below.
I hope you can hear the sound as well.
Embark on an adventure deep inside Earth to learn about its layers, from the crust to the core.
So you can see here all 4 lessons are ready. You can click on lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, and you can start playing with. It's not only a game, it's actually a complete lesson. It's very interactive, very colorful, and definitely your students will engage with this kind of lesson. Okay, you can also edit it by using login. I'm going to log in now. Once you complete the details, you will receive a notification through email when it's ready. So you can see here I received an email that my lesson is created already and it's ready to customize. So you can click here to customize the lesson. So you can add it and change according to your requirement. Once you finalize, simply you can click on publish game. So same like before, you will receive an email when your game is ready to play. So this is the link you can share with your students. This is an ideal platform for parents also to create games for their children. Even teachers can earn from this. They can create courses and they can sell it to the families. So please try, create some interactive games, play with your students and comment on this video. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.